Hello again. I'm Jamie, and welcome to Lesson 2 of our Introduction to Manual Testing for Mobile course. In this lesson, we're going to walk through a demonstration of performing a manual test using the Kobiton Platform. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the key steps involved in launching a mobile device, navigating to a website, and conducting a manual test. This demonstration is designed to give you a clear picture of what to expect when you perform your own manual tests in the upcoming assignment.
We'll dive right in and see how it's done.
First, navigate to the left-hand navigation bar and click on Devices to access the Device Management section. Depending on your deployment, select the appropriate tab. If you're using on-premises or private cloud devices, click on Private and Local Devices. Otherwise, select Public Devices for cloud deployments without private devices. Browse through the available devices and choose one that suits your testing needs. Click the Launch button to start the device. Once the device is up and running, open the browser by clicking on the Safari icon for iOS devices or Chrome for Android devices. In the URL bar, type kobiton.com using your physical keyboard. Although you can use the virtual keyboard, utilizing the physical keyboard is recommended for better efficiency and accuracy. Press Return to navigate to the website. Explore the Kobiton website to see how quickly and smoothly the device responds to your interactions. Take note of the responsiveness and performance. Once you've finished exploring, close the manual testing screen by clicking the X in the upper right corner. A confirmation modal will appear. Click on Exit Session to end your manual testing session securely. Great job! You've just watched a demonstration of how to perform a manual test using the Kobiton platform. By following these steps, you've seen how to launch a device, navigate to a website, and conduct a manual test efficiently, all while experiencing the speed and responsiveness that Kobiton offers. Remember, understanding the process is the first step. In Assignment 1, you'll have the opportunity to perform your very first manual test yourself, applying what you've learned today. Take some time to review this demonstration and familiarize yourself with the steps. When you're ready, move on to the assignment to gain hands-on experience. In our next lesson, we'll explore how devices are organized within Kobiton, including the differences between public and private devices, and how to effectively search and filter through your device inventory. This knowledge will help you select the right devices for your testing needs and optimize your testing workflow. If you have any questions or need assistance as you prepare for Assignment 1, feel free to reach out through our support channels. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you in Lesson 3.